Hi, this is another Owen Sluts, and I'm going to teach you guys how to save. So on Xbox 360, there is a game that is, let me see, a custom match, if you guys don't know what it is. For the PlayStation, you would click on the, let me go back to, you'd click on Setup Game, then you'd go down to Edit Game Rules, click that, and then in the corner for Xbox 360, you would see an X, and it says Save. For PlayStation, it would be a square, and you just click on that. It brings up the slot, so I'm going to zoom in. I have a Kill Confirmed game. You will save. I have already saved 3 games. Then you just click Save, and then you can, when you have a saved game, get out of the lobby, leave lobby, go to custom, go back to setup game, game modes, saved, and it will be there. Yep, and that's how you create a saved game. Yep, please leave a like and subscribe. See you all later.